Hey you all, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to open a demo account right here on TickMill. If you want to do this, we go right here to tickmill.com and then you see right here the homepage with a welcome to the new TickMill. Then right here we select on try a demo, and then what you need to do right here, select no, and then fill in right here your first name, last name, your email address, your country of residence, your phone number, and then right now we select then after that on platform and we select MT5. Then right here we select classic, retail is fine, leverage, we can do 1 to 10, that is also fine. It's a demo account, so we can take the risk if you want to do that. But if you're doing this with a real live trading account, be careful. Then we select right here a deposit of 1 million and the currency US dollars. Then we select right here, both check marks, enable those two or check mark both. And then we click right here on open demo account. Then after that, he sent to your email address this mail. And then you can click right here on trade on the web trader. And then he will send us right here to this page. Most of the time when you are here for the first time, you go right here to the 3 lines left in the top, trading, and then connect to account. And then for the first time, you see exactly what I'm seeing right here. Then fill in right here your login, and your login is this. And then fill in right here your password, and your password is exactly this. Then after that you can start trading, and then right now if I select right here for example the Euro US dollar chart, new order, buy by market, you see that we created ourselves a nice demo account and our balance is standing right there. So this is how you can open a demo account on TickMill. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.